How to fix dead pixel on Android. Fixing a dead pixel on an Android phone, basically it depends upon the extent of the amount of dead pixels. So you suddenly got this type of dead pixel in the middle of your screen, or somewhere it is green or it is pink. If it is caused by a hardware damage, because due to overheating, this usually happens whenever you're doing a software update also, this is quite common. If it happened due to that, then you might have to take it to a service center. But from your own side also, you can try a couple of software things. But let me tell you, this is not a 100% guarantee, but you can still give it a shot. So what I would recommend you do is go to your Play Store and search for this app called Dead Pixels Test and Fix. When you search for this application and download it, simply open it up and give it the required permission. If you want, you can tap on check dead pixels over here. To just tap this auto button, it will start a check over here to check for any sort of dead pixels on your device. And if it's found it, then you can tap on fix dead pixels, and you can see recommended by 10 minutes recovery time to a few hours. Not in all cases the screen can be treated. Do not look at the screen while the program is running. The possibility of increasing power consumption, and make sure your device's charged or connected to a charger. So tap the start button and leave it for multiple hours a day. You can even try to leave it on overnight, but I wouldn't really recommend that. At least 2-3 hours continuously. Just try to fix this, and it might help you recover those dead pixels on Android by running a series of all of these tests. So this way you can basically fix a dead pixel on an Android phone. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.